In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to make a clean, easy-to-read list inside a single cell in Google Sheets, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in bullet list button like in a word processor. The good news is, you can still create neat bullet points using a simple symbol and a quick line break shortcut. I'll walk you through it step by step so it's fast and frustration-free. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Click the exact cell where you want your list to live. Keeping everything in one cell is great when you need a compact checklist, a tidy summary, or a label that shouldn't spill into other cells. Next, open a new browser tab and head to Google Search. Type bullet point symbol, or just type the symbol itself if you can, which looks like a small dot. In the results, you'll see the bullet character appear in the snippets or character panels. Highlight that dot and copy it. You can use your normal copy shortcut here. Now, switch back to your Google Sheets tab and paste the bullet directly into the selected cell. Right after the bullet, type a space so your text has a little breathing room, and then enter your first list item. This space keeps everything readable and consistent. To add another bullet on a new line inside the same cell, press Alt+Enter if you're on Windows, or Option+Enter if you're on a Mac. That key combination creates a line break within the cell instead of jumping to the next row. After the new line appears, paste the bullet again, add a space, and type your next item. Repeat that pattern for as many bullet points as you need: line break, paste bullet, space, and text. As you build your list, keep an eye on alignment and spacing. Using the same number of spaces after each bullet will make your list look professional. If your text wraps onto multiple lines, that's expected and helpful here, because each bullet stays neatly contained within the same cell. If you paste the bullet once, you can quickly paste it again for each new line without leaving the cell, which speeds things up. When you're done, click outside the cell to see the final result. You've created a clean, multi-line bulleted list inside a single Google Sheets cell using the bullet symbol and a simple keyboard shortcut. That's all there is to it. Quick, consistent, and easy to update whenever you need.